Hey guys, it's Billy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am eating a burrito. Look at this big ass burrito. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this. It's literally the size of my face. And I am probably gonna eat the whole entire thing because I'm starving. This is from one of my favorite local spots, a very, very good Mexican place. And I also have to go with it. Look at this, you guys. You guys are going to love this. You guys are going to die. Okay, so look. This is steak jalapeno fries. Loaded fries. Look at, they even put like chips on top. How crazy is that? So these are all French fries. And I have a little extra guac here and then some sauces for my burritos. For my burrito. And yes, and I have my water here. And yeah, I was like, I spilled this all over me. I worked out today, so I deserve this. You know what I mean? It's like on a whole wheat wrap. So awesome. I got whole wheat because, you know, we're skinny here. We're all skinny. I always get comments on my videos like, that's a lot of sodium, that's a lot of this, that's a lot of that. Like, if you listen to my videos and listen to me talking, like, I try and work out and have, like, a healthy balance. I'm not saying, like, eating like this is amazing, but it's also, I don't know, it's good food. We like to eat here. So, yes, let me try these fries first. I don't even need ketchup or anything for these. Like, as guac, sour cream, jalapenos, steak pico de gallo. Look, yes, get in my mouth. Yeah, that's great, man. Like, it's great food. I've had these fries before from them. And every time they kill it. Need more. So how you guys been? I've been terrific. I can't complain. I have a lot of things, exciting things like obviously this YouTube channel, which I love, and I have a lot of exciting ideas and recommendations that I'm trying to get to. But also I'm just like, you know, when in life, like, you work really hard and it never seems to feel like anything's paying off. It's tough to like keep trudging on, but I'm trying to feel like things are going in a positive direction, which is awesome. I hope you guys feel like that too. I've had a lot of people mention to me too, like, you guys know, I've been trying to find a perfect balance between mukbangs and like being healthy at the same time. And I feel like I'm getting there, like I'm not 100% there. But the mindset and the good intentions are there. And I've had people after like just week 1 of me doing this, not doing mukbangs, of like trying to be healthy, I've had people already telling me like, you look really good, like you're looking better. I'm like, thanks. I'm like, it isn't my haircut, but no, people have been saying my skin looks better. So we'll see. Talk to me in 8 weeks. All right, let's try this burrito. Look how massive it is. It's so heavy. I wish you guys can smell it. So I got it on the whole wheat. Usually it'll come on like a flour tortilla, which is really good, but I'm just trying to make like better choices. Like small choices matter, I feel like. So let's eat this. I got the chicken burrito, by the way, which I haven't had before. Look how jam-packed that is. Let's put some of this red sauce on it. Yes. And then let's put some guac on it. This is guac mixed with like onions and pico de gallo, it looks like. Spicy. Wow. See that cheese pull? It's like jam packed with goodness. Like, it rests perfectly in your hands. Like this. Chow down. So this has pepper jack or Monterey jack? Monterey jack, I think. Let's try this green sauce. The chicken's so seasoned well. You guys, we love good. I love good like Spanish food. Oh. There's this amazing Dominican place I also love that's in Brooklyn that I go to often for like lunch breaks, believe it or not, for at work. If you guys want to see me eat that, let me know. They have like I forget the pasteles. Pasteles, oh, they were so good. And like they have this like baked chicken that's like to die for. And I get it with tostones with like a garlic sauce. Heavenly. The green sauce is a little less spicy. Whoa. Whoa. Some beans overboard. Yummy. My tibble's clean. Looks like there's black beans in it, which is great. But yeah, I've been really good on the eating front of like eating right, but on the workout part, it's been horrible. So today I was really proud of myself that I actually went to the gym. Shout out if you guys actually went to the gym today. I think I told some of you guys like I do high interval training. Yeah, it kicks my ass. But you know what? And like I may like embarrass myself when I'm there because there's like it's like a class full of a lot of people. I'm probably the like least fit. But I'm telling you, it kicks my butt. And I burn easily like 600 and 900 calories every day. Not every day, but every time I go. I'm trying to go every day. So, yeah. But some other things I'm really excited about, you guys, is as you know, I'm like a big Disney fan, and I love Universal Studios too. And I don't know if you guys have ever been, but the Universal Studios in Florida has the Harry Potter themed parks. I'm such a huge Harry Potter fan. It's like correction, I'm a really, really big Harry Potter fan. I'm not the type of fan that's like super deep dived into it. I think when I was younger I used to be, but I'm still a big fan, and I love like the magical aspect. I love that. And the houses and excuse me, and like all that stuff. But I love like the Harry Potter world at Universal Studios. If you guys are a fan of Harry Potter, let me know. And let me know what house you're in. I want to know. That'd be so interesting. I want to know what the majority of my subscribers are house-wise. If you guys haven't taken the test, you have to take it on Pottermore and let me know. I'll leave the link down below. I'd be so interested on if you guys take that. It would like make my day because I want to know. And like that Pottermore test, that it actually was like created by like J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter. So it's like the most accurate. But yeah. What do you guys think what house I'm in? I don't know if it's obvious or not. I'm making a huge mess. Oh. I'm a Slytherin. I didn't wait and tell you guys, but I'm a Slytherin. Which not all Slytherins are bad. But a lot of people I know too are like Hufflepuffs. And like my relatives. You know what I really want to do is put these fries on my burrito. I'm feeling adventurous today, you guys. With like this cheese and stuff. Yes. And some steak. I've never had their chicken burrito. When I order from this place, normally I'll get the pulled pork. I love me some pork. But on my diet, which clearly is working well, but I'm just trying to stick to it just a little bit. I'm not trying to stray too much. Like this maybe will be my cheat meal for the week. But and then I'll get back to it tomorrow. But I've been trying to eat a lot of seafood. But I can eat white meat too. I just can't eat like red meat. I can't eat pork or like beef. Oh my gosh, I just realized there's steak in this. But there's only a little bit of steak, so that's fine. But yeah, I'm trying to like stay away from that stuff. And I'm trying to stay away from dairy, which is in this too. And gluten, which I don't know. I don't think there's gluten in whole wheat wraps. And sugar. Well, okay, there's always tomorrow, you guys, so. Oops. You know what? I can die tonight in my sleep, and at least I ate like a meal I enjoyed. That's how I always look at it. Like, I put all this fries on it. Yes. There's this like California burrito place. And I feel like California like tacos. When I was in LA like a year ago, it was almost a year ago the last time I was in LA. And when I was there, I ate these tacos every single day. It was someplace in Echo Park. And they had the best fish tacos. I would just crave them. I love like shrimp tacos too. But there was a really, really good California style taco place in Brooklyn. And they used to put like fries on, and I don't know if that's a California thing, but they put fries like on the burritos. It was amazing. It was so good, like. And there's like that American cheese on it, like that Cheese Whiz, but not that super salty kind, like the actual good kind. You guys know I hate when Cheese Whiz is too salty. It's like frustrating to me. Like when like, okay, I get it. Like when you order that like cheese sauce, it's great. But like when it's freaking smothered in it and you can't even like enjoy the fries and it's just like goo, like salty goo, it's just like not appealing to me at all. And that's the tea on that. I'm just like sitting here. I'm so crazy with food. I'm sitting here like thinking I can really go for some ice cream. Like a sundae. You know whose sundaes I love? Haagen-Dazs. Have you guys ever had a Haagen-Dazs sundae? Excuse me. It's so good. With like hot fudge and like sprinkles. Ugh. Yes. You know you're getting full when you're like, okay, I'm ready for dessert. This was filling. I should have saved like half for lunch tomorrow. That's what a normal skinny person would do. Yeah, this is all just rice. Here's a piece of chicken. Yum. Oh. Oh wow, there's a big piece of chicken on this. Look at this chicken and cheese chunk. Spicy. Yes! Ready to conquer the universe. That was so good, you guys. That was so delicious. Just generally good food. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know I did. I hope you ate something good too. Like, I shouldn't be the only one eating good here. But no, I get it. When I watched mukbangs, I still do. when I watch mukbangs, I never eat. Usually when I eat mukbangs is when I'm like starving and when I shouldn't eat. So you know, that's how we do. But I hope you guys liked hanging out with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what I should be eating next. Let me know, like, if you go to Universal. Let me know anything and everything about your life. I'm always open. I see every comment. So, yeah. And if your friends like Mexican food, don't forget to share it with them. But yeah, I'm an eating show. I post a couple times a week. I don't have like a set schedule. We're all friends here. We just hang out, eat, chill. And this is a drama-free zone, so no haters. Save the hating for someone else, not me. But yeah, I hope you guys like hanging out with me, and I'll check you on the next one. All right, see you guys later. Bye.